Hi, welcome to the Healing Path. My name is Christina Long. I hope that you're doing well today. And I want to talk today about the vagus nerve and how you can help your vagus nerve to relax. So, the vagus nerve is a nerve that regulates the rest of your nervous system. It's like the mother nerve. And one of the ways that you can help this nerve to relax, which then sends relaxation to the rest of your body, is by breathing a longer exhale out than your inhale. So it's really simple. We're just going to do a 4 and a 6 count. You can make it however you want. If you want to do a 4 count inhale and an 8 count exhale, that's fine. But for today, I mean, you can inhale 6 counts if you want and exhale 8 or 10. It's totally fine. But for today, we're just going to stick with 4 counts in, 6 counts out. All right. So the slower you can make this breath, the longer you can make this breath, the better it is. Right. But like I said, just for demonstration purposes, we are going to do a 4 and a 6. All right. So if you don't know about diaphragmatic breathing, this is just going to allow your belly to soften and distend so that your diaphragm, which sits right up underneath your, you can't see my hands down below my ribs, but it's sort of like this little umbrella. And when you breathe in, it pushes down your organs so that your lungs can inflate fully, right? So you have to allow your belly to soften and the muscles in your belly to relax so that all of that stuff can happen and make room for the lungs. So we're going to breathe in a 4 count. Like I said, I'll count it. And then we'll pause and retain that. So the pause will just be a slight retention using your navel. We're just going to keep it simple today and talk about this navel. In yoga, there's a whole bunch of other things. But for this right now, you can do this without worrying about the rest of the stuff. Just breathe in through the navel or breathe in through the lungs and then hold the navel in gently towards the spine. And then you'll continue to pull the navel in and up towards the spine as you exhale that breath. And then you'll pause again and just keep that hold on your navel. And then you'll let that go as you breathe in again, an 8 or a 4 count, and then pause, count the 6 breath out, and then pause. And you just keep doing that until either you're calm or you're tired of doing that. I like to do this a lot, but I like to do this throughout my day, but especially I like to do it before I meditate. It just kind of helps me to calm down and get into my, sitting so that I'm not distracted or busy. Kind of gives me a transition point. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this breath. So let's just take a deep breath in and out through the nose and out through the mouth together. So breathe in, exhale. All right. We'll close your eyes or you can look at the screen, whatever you want to do. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pause. Now, let's just take a little breather for a second. Shake it out. How did it go? I hope that went well. Let's do it again. All right. So let's just one more collective cleansing breath. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then exhale, or just be still for a moment, take that in. So I hope that you have already felt the difference in just the few moments that we've taken today to connect with our breath and help our vagus nerve do its very best job, which is regulating our nervous system. So I hope you will like this video and subscribe for more tips on how to help your body and nervous system heal. Peace.